Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for a location on Google Maps. We're going to be doing this on the mobile app. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So we're over here in Google Maps, and what we're going to do is just hold down on the map with our finger to the point that you would like to now create a pin for. So as we hold it down, you'll see right over here, it gives you all of the information. You're going to just pull this menu up. You can see all of the info. Now right at the top, you can see that there's a share icon. We're going to hit this and we're going to hit share. We want to go ahead and click on copy URL. Once we've copied URL, we're going to go over to Chrome and we're going to look for qrcode-monkey.com. Basically what you can do here is paste your URL in at the top. If you go down, you can click on create QR code. You can now download this QR code. And once you're done, you can now use this QR code wherever your needs are.